How to fix dead pixels on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix dead pixels on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, dead pixels are simply some of the pixels that you cannot see, or it's not more visible and it's not functioning anymore. It just like how millions of human cells combine a human body, millions of pixels actually combine a screen. And if one of those pixels actually dysfunctions, it's going to also infect the other ones, and what happens is that they are not going to function and you will not be able to see, even though other parts of the screens are working just fine. Now, most of the times what happens is that if you see some kind of dead pixels around your phone, but as you can see it's not present in mine, what happens is that it could be because maybe you dropped your phone, or maybe something hit your display in this case. So when something basically hits your display, what happens is that you should be able to see some of those dead pixels. In that case, it requires a hardware replacement, but if it came after a software update or something like that, we can still manage to fix it and make it function. What you can try to do is open up your Play Store. There is an app that we are going to actually download, which is Dead Pixels Test and Fix. This is the application. Don't worry, it's a completely safe application as well. So this is the app. Go ahead and install it from your Play Store, open it up, and now I'll just click the OK option and then just allow modifying system settings. Don't worry, it will not ask for any of the other permissions. Now here you can see check dead pixels or fix dead pixels. You can also choose to fix the dead pixels by tapping on this option, tapping on the start option. What happens is that this is going to run a certain test on your device, which you might actually want to run every day, at least for about an hour. So leave your phone like this for about an hour every day, and what happens is that after this, it is trying to go ahead and then fix all of the dead pixels, and it will start working one after another. But if it is likely a hardware damage, then you will not be able to fix it. So that's the thing you want to understand. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix dead pixels on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.